Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your PS5 wallet. Alright, let's get started. So over here you can see I am on my account right here now. So here you can see we have $0 right now on our account. So now what you have to do is go to settings and here click on user and accounts. And once you go here, what you have to do is here go to payment and subscriptions, and here click on payment method. And over here you have to add your payment method such as PayPal or your credit or debit card, or you can redeem your voucher code as well. So once you do that, what you have to do is click on add funds, and here you can see I have selected $5, and what you have to do is just click on continue and click on yes. And that's it. That is how you will be able to add funds to your PS5 wallet. So now let's check if we have successfully added the amount. So let's go back, and then here let's go to our profile. Here you can see I have now $5. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.